Hello. So last time you might have been a bit shocked by my rant about bunnies and how they can photosynthesize, and that's understandable because bunnies are not something that you would normally encounter in your daily life, and the difference between all the bunnies in the world isn't going to make any difference if you're not an artist. So all the time that you take dedicated to researching bunnies is not really helpful, so you should stop doing that and draw a picture of a bunny twice every day for a week, and then come back and see me again. I hope this has been helpful. If there's anything else you want to know, just send me a comment requesting whatever it is. Okay, bye.